Here is how I crochet this butterfly. First, we will begin with a slip knot. Then we will chain 6. Now we are going to slip stitch to our first chain. And then we will chain 3. Now we will make 1 double crochet in the middle of the circle. Now chain 2. Now we will make 2 double crochets in that circle. Then chain 2 and then 2 double crochets in that circle. We are going to do this for a total of 8 clusters all the way around. Now you will slip stitch to the top of our chain 3. And now you will fasten off. And weave in all of your ends. I like to use a metal yarn needle. Now we are going to grab our second color and make a slip knot. We are going to attach this color in between 2 of the double crochets, not in the chain 2 space. So attach with the slip knot. Now we are going to make 6 double crochets in the chain 2 space. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will go do not chain 2. Now we will go in the next chain 2 space and we will do 6 double crochets. And we are going to keep on repeating this around, so in every chain 2 space, we will make 6 double crochets. And this is going to be a total of 8 clusters of the 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will slip stitch in our first stitch, and we are going to chain 6. Then we will fold this in half, and we are going to wrap it around. And now we are going to slip stitch onto the other side. Chain 1 and fasten off. Make sure that that's in the center. Now we will get a piece of yarn, and now I'm going to make 2 knots. I'm going to double knot it, and then make 2 knots on the other side. And you can make this part as long or as little as you would like. Now I'm going to cut the ends. Now we're going to attach this in the top area. Now I'm going to grab my yarn needle again, and I am going to weave in the ends. And here is our butterfly. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.